it's written in question ना,
बैंक
12th
से
वाला.
करना है.
पेज
जो
नंबर
भी पेमेंट्स हो रहे हैं बैंक से करना है, जो
पेज नंबर 30
बैंक से आ रहे.
C30. ओके.
12th question.
वहाँ पे
Question itself is
हाँ.
written with bank and discount columns.
Prepare a cash book with bank and discount column.
And all the receipts and payments, you have to do it with bank column only. So we have to not make cash column.
But it's
मतलब
cash
जितने भी
book, it
कैश
has
के
to be
अमाउंट
cash.
है वो.
It is 3-column cash book ना.
No, it's 2
No,
column
it's a
with
cash book.
discount and bank.
It is cash book only, but
3 column
he is
3 column cash book.
depositing every cash in bank. So that's why we are taking in bank only.
तो कैश का पूरा अमाउंट जो है बैंक में डालना है, कैश में नहीं.
Directly it's given in question that he is depositing.
ओके. सो ये
With
सेवन
bank
एंट्री
column means here whenever there are 2 entries, no contra entries. दो है,
हाँ.
एक 1st Jan and on 12th Jan it is contra entry. So I have prepared the cash column, but the amount is coming as 24,900.
नहीं वैसा नहीं है. और
No,
मतलब
don't
फर्स्ट
take in
See,
cash.
in the question
entry
itself, it is saying that you have to make the cash book with the cash discount column and bank column.
The thing
So
is,
I don't think we have to make cash column. Even if we are making it, there is no
yeah,
need
it
of it.
won't be counted. Yeah, it is none of use. But the thing
Then
is,
the
when there will be the contra entry, first listen to me. When
yes, you
there
have
will
to
be the
not write the contra entry then.
अरे यार कैसे नहीं लिखते आप क्वेश्चन में contra entry
फिर आंसर सही आ
वो
रहा है ना,
contra
सिर्फ
entry
बैंक
नहीं
कॉलम
लिखी
करे
तो
तो.
आंसर
हाँ,
सही आया.
बैंक कॉलम करे,
मतलब
आंसर सही आ रहा. बैंक कॉलम बनाए आप, सब बनाना है बैंक कॉलम. कैश कॉलम में जब 2 कॉन्ट्रा एंट्रीज आ रहे तब वहां पर 2 अमाउंट रिवर्स हो रहे. एक तो है 100 और दूसरा है 25,000. तो मैं क्या करी, बैंक का तो टैली हो जा रहा है ना, तो बैंक का ही देखने वाले हैं अपने को, कैश का कोई देखने वाले नहीं है. तो
कॉन्ट्रा एंट्री सिर्फ 3 कॉलम कैश बुक में है.
वही तो बोल रहा हूँ मैं भी.
कॉन्ट्रा एंट्री
एक
सिर्फ 3 कॉलम कैश
कैश
बुक में है. ये 2 कॉलम कैश बुक है. वी डोंट take a
In question he is telling that prepare a cash book with bank and discount columns, not cash.
3 column cash book है ये.
Not cash, I understood. Not cash. We don't have to make any cash
See,
column. But
Mariam,
the
if
thing
we
is,
are not making
don't
cash
make-
column, then where you will
Where is the contra entry
enter?
now?
I didn't got Nazima. Please repeat. Nazima.
देखो यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन में दे दिया कि कैश बुक बनाओ बैंक और डिस्काउंट कॉलम से. तो कैश अपन जब बना रहे नहीं तो एंट्री कैसे डालेंगे कैश में? सो देयर विल बी नो कॉन्ट्रा एंट्री एट ऑल.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
But I
Only
have done the
we have-
contra entry. And my
I
bank
too did,
column is
but
also...
Yes, was your answer right?
उसमें
Bank balance
contra entry नहीं आता.
23,580 आया.
Yes, आता Maria. How you can say that it won't be contra entry? Open bank account. So open bank account, what is that? Is that contra entry, no?
Yes, it is a contra entry.
Yeah. Then
Bank
why
account
you are
data
not
to cash
writing?
account.
But if you are not making cash, then
We are not
where
making
will you
cash
write?
column now.
अरे
Yes.
यार वो क्वेश्चन में डेटा
मारिया.
आपको नहीं बनाओ, आपकी कन्वीनियंस के लिए आप बनाओ ना, क्योंकि सिर्फ बैंक बैलेंस अपने को टैली होना है तो टैली हो जा रहा वो कैश बनाने के बावजूद.
अच्छी बात है, वैसा भी कर सकते हैं, वैसा भी
कैश
कर
बने तो
सकते
3 कॉलम कैश
चलता
बुक हो
चलता.
जाता ना, वो ये 2 कॉलम है.
डियर 2
देखो
कॉलम में कौन
भैया,
बोले डियर
मरियम क्या बोल रहा है
आपको?
मालूम? उन्हें अपने कन्वीनियंस यहाँ पर फर्स्ट एंट्री खुद ही कॉन्ट्रा एंट्री है.
या उस्मा, यू एक्सप्लेन देम. The thing is, it has not written that this is double column, single column, or triple column cash book. So it is only he said that we need to prepare a cash book. That's it.
And later he is giving with bank and discount column.
the contra entry इसमें कैसे लिखेंगे?
See, अपन कैश कॉलम बना भी लिए ना, अपन कैश बैलेंस नहीं लिखना, क्योंकि आंसर में सिर्फ बैंक बैलेंस लिखो बोला।
हाँ
आंसर कुछ
इसमें
भी
ना तो कॉन्ट्रा एंट्री नहीं आता इसमें, डबल कॉलम कैश बुक में कॉन्ट्रा एंट्रीज नहीं आते।
हाँ कॉन्ट्रा एंट्री नहीं आती, लेकिन अब मरियम अपने कन्वीनियंस के लिए उन्होंने बना लिए बोल रहे बस।
फिर कॉन्ट्रा एंट्री कैसे लिखे मरियम आप?
वो तो मेरे को भी समझ में नहीं
आप
आ रहा।
लोग बोल रहे थे कि ट्रिपल कॉलम कैश बुक है ही नहीं, एंड आई एम
हाँ
सपोर्टिंग
डबल
दैट दिस
कॉलम
इज ट्रिपल कॉलम कैश बुक।
कैश का कुछ भी नहीं है, कैश का कॉलम ही नहीं है, बैंक है डिस्काउंट है।
You tell me what are the 4 cases under which contra entry occur? You tell me the cases.
Paid into bank, opened an account, withdrawn account, and check deposited into bank.
So
But it is in
what is
3
the
column
first-
cash book, no?
what is the first transaction?
कैश बुक में कॉन्ट्रा
First transaction.
क्या?
ये ओपन बैंक अकाउंट ही हुआ ना, ओपन बैंक अकाउंट ही हुआ ना, अकाउंट ही ओपन कर रहे ना बैंक के अंदर। ये
Double
कॉन्ट्रा एंट्री हुआ या नहीं हुआ?
ये नहीं हुआ, ये डबल कैश बुक है। ट्रिपल कॉलम कैश बुक रहा तो कॉन्ट्रा एंट्री होता था।
सी मरियम,
हाँ बोलो यार।
डबल कॉलम कैश बुक में भी बहुत टाइम आया, पेड इनटू बैंक आया, विड्रॉन कैश फ्रॉम बैंक आया, लेकिन
आप
वो टाइम पे अपन कॉन्ट्रा एंट्री नहीं कर रहे
देखिए,
थे क्योंकि वो डबल कॉलम कैश बुक थी। अपन 3 कॉलम कैश बुक में सीखे कॉन्ट्रा एंट्री ना। सो अब ये 12th वाला क्वेश्चन डबल कॉलम कैश बुक है, तो यहाँ पर चाहे ओपन बैंक अकाउंट विद 25,000 आ जाओ या नको, क्योंकि अपन कैश कॉलम नहीं बना रहे तो कॉन्ट्रा एंट्री आती ही नहीं, क्योंकि ये डबल कॉलम कैश बुक है।
हाँ एग्जैक्टली। तो कौन है ये?
उस्मा।
अच्छा उस्मा, आपको आंसर आया इसका?
हाँ राइट आंसर आया,
क्या आया?
23,580 आया बैंक बैलेंस।
580 आ रहा।
हाँ
12th entry फिर वो
After-
credit में लेना है।
Listen,
हाँ
after
ड्यू
doing that contra entries, no, I am getting 23,580 same answer bank balance.
हाँ क्योंकि आप देखिए मरियम,
आपको बैंक
आप
का तो सेम ही आता,
बैंक,
लेकिन कैश बना दे रहे हैं आप।
हाँ खाली बैंक बैलेंस देख रहे ना भाई अपन यहाँ पर, तो इसलिए सही आता कि वो कैसा भी, चाहे वैसा करो आंसर सही आ रहा है, बैंक बैलेंस का सही
But
आता।
the thing is, this is double column cash book. Okay.
हाँ वही कैश कॉलम का आंसर नहीं है यहाँ पर, क्योंकि यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन में ही दे दिया बैंक एंड डिस्काउंट कॉलम बोल के ना।
उसमें 11th प्रॉब्लम करे।
11th
तो उस्मा
करी मैं 11th।
And I am not telling the 10th problem. Anand owed. मेरे को सिर्फ 50 रुपीज का मतलब डिफरेंस आ रहा 10th वाला
10th
प्रॉब्लम
वाला
में।
करी मैं,
Yeah, I am
50
also
rupees
getting that.
difference.
10th and
Only
11th
5090 I am getting.
Yeah, I'm too getting 5090.
Maybe there is a mistake in reader only.
No, but the thing is 50 rupees ही क्यों आ रहा? क्योंकि I'm getting confused that here on 20th transaction, no, he received from Ajit a fresh check for a total amount he's saying. So I think we need to add discount alone. If we'll add no, then here,
I added that.
but here it is getting in bank it is right now 5040. Then here in cash I am not getting 1175.
No, I am getting 1175.
See, I know,
cash.
I'm getting cash right 1175, but I'm getting bank 560.
No, not 60, it is 90. I'm getting cash 1175, but in bank I'm getting 5090.
No, I got 5,560.
5090.
And bank overdraft भी नहीं आ रहा वो भी।
बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट का ही बैलेंस बिंगू से 50 रुपीज कमा रहे, यहाँ पर 5040 है, मेरे पास 5090 आ रहा मेरे को बैलेंस।
मेरे को डेबिट साइड 5,560 आ रहा, क्रेडिट साइड बैलेंस आ रहा 560।
नहीं गलत है, 5090 बैंक बैलेंस डेबिट साइड कितना आ रहा, होल कितना आ रहा, मतलब होल डेबिट साइड कितना आ रहा?
5560.
7,800 आता ना डियर, डेबिट साइड बोल रही हूँ मैं आपको।
Yeah, 7,800.
हाँ, डेबिट साइड इच। सुनो, मेरे बैंक के टोटल क्या है ये? 1800, 1350, 1410.
कौन सा डेबिट साइड का बैंक बैलेंस बोल रहे हैं आप?
हाँ,
दो ही आते, 1350, 1360।
अच्छा 1800 यहाँ पर ले लिए ना?
So Mariam,
नहीं,
मैम, मैम एंटर्ड,
बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन नहीं लिया आप लोग?
मैम एंटर्ड,
1800.
मैम एंटर्ड गर्ल्स, आई एम एडमिटिंग।
नसीमा,
बैंक का
Nazmin?
बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन 2,800 है नाज़मीन।
सुनो, बैंक का तुम पूरे क्या बोलते हैं अमाउंट्स बोलो। 1800,
18 नहीं है, वो 2,800 है।
2800 है या
Yes, ma'am is saying something.
1410.
Girls, are you there?
Yes,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Just within 10 minutes, I'm starting the class. And as you noted, only one problem left. After that, I'm going to check the notes, girls.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
For 10 minutes time I'm giving. After that, I'm going to start the class, right?
Okay, ma'am.
ओके,
Mariam?
जी मारिया।
हाँ. Mariam, please send me 13th and 14th question answer na. I'll just check mine.
ओके ओके,
WhatsApp.
Mariam?
माया, which 13th and 14th?
Petty cash book.
ओके ओके,
Mariam, me too.
ओके समीरा।
Ma'am is not coming.
Just wait for a while.
Uzma,
Yes.
in 12th problem, only a date particular, LF and bank column there, na?
Discount and bank column, not cash column.
Debit and credit side both.
Yes.
Okay. 12th entry, drew cash for petty cash is credit entry.
Yes, by petty cashier.
Okay. In 10th problem you have done?
No, I have not done 10th and 11th one.
Okay, thank you.
Ma'am,
Is she there?
Today is no Arabic class, no?
No.
yes, we are not having Arabic class today. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Today Mariam is going to take the class, girls. Are you there, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Today
ma'am.
Mariam is going to take the class.
No.
No, ma'am.
Then still you are only host, no?
Yes, ma'am. Just not transfer. Actually, I forget.
Okay, ma. So today which problem you have to do? Only one problem.
10th and 11th.
Only one problem. Why two problems again?
Ma'am, you have
Ma'am,
given 12th problem as homework and 6th and 7th also. And now 10th and 11 are left.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
10th and 11th.
Yes, we did 10th, but we have doubts.
How many of you have done the 10th one? Most of you have done 10th one? Like you
Yes.
that you're having the
Yes,
doubt.
ma'am.
Doubts I will clarify. But you have done no 10th one?
Yes.
Okay. Now ask me what is the doubt?
We are
Ajit,
getting different totals in bank, ma'am.
Okay. What I'll do, I will only explain the problem. You see that whether you have done the posting correct or not.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma? So
Yes.
coming to the first sentence, they have given that Anand owed rupees 2,800 to the bank and had cash to 460 on hand on 2013. It means that Anand has to give 2,800 to the bankers. Means it is a bank overdraft. That's why it will come under the credit side as by balance brought down 2,800 in the bank column, right?
yes.
And cash on hand, it will come under the debit side as to balance brought down and cash column. Okay.
Ma'am, which one?
Say 10th one. అక్కడ ఇచ్చిన
Ma'am, it is a 3-column cash book.
yes.
So I took this bank in debit side.
As you can see the last sentence, ma, 10th one last sentence, you see, prepare his three columnar cash book they have given you clearly. Then
Ma'am, that
Owned means
923.
we have to take as overdraft always.
owed means he has to give this much amount. Anand has to give the amount to bank. Okay, now second sentence I'm
Got
telling.
wrong.
He drew cash for office use and paid wages. Again, on one date, two transactions are there. First one is he drew cash for office use is a contra entry, by cash to bank.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Paid wages is a payment, so by wages.
Yes.
The next you see he sold goods for cash and bought goods for cash. Again, one day, two transactions are there. First one is sales. Sales means it will come on a debit side as two sales, amount in the cash column.
Cash
Again,
column.
by purchase account, amount in the cash column.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
The next you see he received check for rupees 1,350.
Majid.
Just a minute, ma. ఏమైంది Yes, girls.
7th entry, how to write?
He sold goods for cash. It is a sales. Sales is a receipt. So it will come to sales account debit side in the cash column amount. Again, bought goods for cash. This is a purchase. Coming to a purchase. Purchase is a payment. It will come at the credit side as buy purchase. Amount in the cash column.
Yes.
Okay. The next one you see. He received check for rupees 1,350 in full settlement for rupees 1,400 and from Ajit deposit the same in the bank. Means they are receiving the check and the same day they are depositing in the bank. So it will come to
Bank
Ajit
column.
account, to
Two
Ajit account,
newspaper.
1,350 in the bank column and 50 rupees in the discount column. Right? The next you see, he paid Ram Vilas by check 890 in full settlement for rupees 900. Paid. It is a payment. So it will come by Ram Vilas, 890 in the bank column, 10 rupees in the discount column.
Ma'am, can you please explain me 19th?
Ninth one, they have given that they are receiving the check from Ajit and the same day they are depositing. Same day when they are depositing, the amount will come in the bank column.
350 likhna.
1,350 will come in the bank column, 50 rupees in the discount column.
Okay, ma'am.
The next, he received rupees 215 for sale of old newspaper. Received, it is a receipt. So to sale of old newspaper, 250 in the cash column. The next is he bought one bicycle by check for rupees 1,150. He also paid municipal taxes 200 in cash. Two transactions are there again. First one you should write as buy bicycle 1,150 in the bank column. Again buy municipal taxes 200 in the cash column. The next he received Ajit.
He paid Ravani's
Bicycle and bank.
Bicycle amount in the
Yes.
bank column because check
Yes,
through
ma'am.
check he is making the payment. No, again you should write buy municipal taxes 200 in
Yes.
the cash
Cash.
column. The next is he received Ajit's check dishonored from bank. Bank charged 10 rupees towards the same. Ajit check got dishonored. So what you should do? Amount, what amount will come? By Ajit account in the bank
50
column.
under
360.
discount and 1,360
See.
under bank.
Yes.
Okay. Then next, he received from Ajit a fresh check for the total amount, including the bank charges. Means again they are receiving the Ajit check. So it will come to Ajit account. Total amount of the check is 1,400, right?
Yes.
And 10
Yes,
rupees
ma'am.
extra they are charging. Yes. So
Yes.
the total amount will be 1,410. It will come under the cash column.
Okay.
Okay. The next, he deposited Ajit check into bank. It is a contra entry by bank to cash.
Ma'am, here why we are not, why we are taking 1,400 discount allowed? No, so we
Discount,
need to take.
no, what clearly what they have given here, they have received a fresh check for the total amount. What is the total amount of the check? Total amount of the check is 1,400. Before, if he is making the payment, at time they will give the discount. After, when he is making, why they will give the discount? They will not give the discount.
Okay. Okay. I'm taking here 1,360. That's the reason I'm not adding.
Now I said this, no? Now
Yes,
do the
yes,
total and tell me that whether you are getting the correct answer or
Ma'am,
not.
21st entry?
21st is a contra entry by bank to cash.
Cash is right, ma'am. 1,175. The total is 4,085.
Even the bank also you do?
Yeah, bank I did.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I'm having one doubt. Like for example, if someone is giving us check and we are depositing it in same day, so should we take that it as contra entry or not? Because we are depositing in bank.
It is not a contra entry. Whenever like that they are giving same day means we have to write the amount in the bank column. That's it.
Naturally.
If
Okay.
another day will be there, that time only contra entry will come.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am,
40 ma'am. Bank 7,800.
Yeah, ma'am. In bank it's coming 2,240.
No, 7,800.
ma'am, we should draw on a format, ma'am.
Ma'am, the total of
How-
debit side is
See,
5,560.
1 minute. Total of debit, total of credit, I don't want. Just I want the balance amount. That's it.
Balance is coming as 2,240. Bank.
Everyone same getting.
No, 7,800.
No, ma'am.
No, just now I said the answer also, no? Like I explained everything, no? After that, once you properly check, and I want only one answer. I don't want the two answers.
Ma'am, 21st entry, the amount we have to take 1,350 or 1,400?
Amount is 1,410.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, again I'm getting 2,240.
Ma'am, if we didn't write 21 entry, then the answer will be same as reader.
Ma'am, I got both answers.
Like that, we can't leave, no? We should get textbook answer, means we can't leave the 21st entry, no?
I
Clearly,
got
they
the
have
correct answers, ma'am.
Sania,
Ma'am, I also got the same tallied under cash 1175 and under bank
And
5040.
under bank
so
5040.
you got no once. Those who got once, share the screen, ma.
Okay. Ma'am, for sharing screen, I think we need to be the co-host.
Can start a video.
Okay, I'll make.
Yeah, ma'am.
Now, who got the correct answer? Mariam got.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay, I made now. Share my screen.
Yes, ma'am.
We get it answer, ma'am.
Now she shared the screen. No, properly see and copy, girls. Those who have done the mistake.
Actually, I was taking bank in debit 2,800. That's why.
Done, ma'am.
Everyone has done?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Or you need some 2 or 3 minutes, or shall I start the new next problem?
We'll start the next, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. For next problem, till I draw the format, you also draw in your books. As you can see in the next problem, they have given here two banks name. So separate columns you have to make for the two bank columns. State Bank of India and Bank of India. Actually, in 3-column cash book, cash, bank, and discount 3 columns will make, no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Now here extra column, 2 banks column you have to take. Okay.
Ma'am, discount column will be there.
Yeah, make discount column also.
Ma'am, let's start. Only 15 minutes are left.
Yeah, shall we start?
Which one?
Mariam, share the format.
Date, particular, LF, discount, cash, State Bank of India, Bank of India.
Now I'm starting the problem, girls.
Okay, ma'am.
Now coming to this is the format. date, particulars, LF, discount allowed, cash, State Bank of India, Bank of India. Here also same, date, particulars, LF, discount received, cash, State Bank of India and Bank of India. So coming to this problem, they have given that balance at the beginning of the day, cash, State Bank of India, Bank of India, overdraft, right? So balance at the beginning they have given, that is nothing but the opening balance. As you know, opening balance, whenever they will give, it will come under the debit side. So what I'm doing first here in this problem, they have not given the date, right? So date we should not write, just I'm writing it as to balance brought down.
Ma'am, in the question they will give the date.
2013.
21st
Here they have
May.
21st May
21st
2030.
Okay, 21st May I've written. So coming to the cash balance they have given it as 150. So under cash column I'm writing it as 150. And coming to the State Bank, they have given it as 25,000. As you can see, for the Bank of India, they have given it as overdraft. Overdraft means it will come to the payment side. So here I should write, and date also we should write, and I'm writing it as by balance brought down. In the Bank of India column, I'm writing the amount 3,000. Okay.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
next transaction, received a check for rupees 5,350 from Marwan Brothers in full settlement of invoice for rupees 5,500. The check was deposited in the Bank of India, who charged 3 as collection charges. Means we are receiving the check from Marwan Brothers. Same day we are depositing. Which bank we are depositing? We are depositing the Bank of India. Right? And they are charging 3 rupees as collection charges. So what I'm doing, this is a receipt, no? So first I'm writing it as to Marwan Brothers, as on the same day they are depositing. That's why I'm writing the amount in the Bank of India. I'm writing the amount in the Bank of India. As you can see, the total amount of check was 5,500, but they're taking only 5,350. Means more 150 is the discount.
Ma'am, 3 rupees charges.
Yeah, taking that also. Clear? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
So in the same line, they have given that 3 rupees they are charging, right? Charging means it is a payment. That's why what I'm doing, under payment side, I'm writing it as by bank charges. Okay. Who is charging? Bank of India is charging. That's why in the under Bank of India, I'm writing as 3 rupees. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
The next you see cash purchases paid bearer check of State Bank of India. Means they are making the purchases, and that they are making the payment through check of State Bank of India. Coming to the purchases, it is a payment. That's why I'm writing it as by purchases, and 10,000 I'm writing under the State Bank of India. Under the State Bank of India. The next, transferred 5,000 from State Bank of India to Bank of India. What they are doing? They are transferring the amount from one bank to another bank. From State Bank to Bank of India. It means that it is like a contra entry.
Yes.
Bank of India to SBI. So by
Bank of India.
Bank of India, when we are writing the Bank of India, amount should come in the State Bank, right? So
Ma'am, we should not write C.
No need. Okay, 5,000. And here I'm writing it as to State Bank of India. When I'm writing the State Bank of India, amount will come under the Bank of India. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next you see, withdrew rupees 5,000 from State Bank of India, of which 3,000 for office use and 2,000 for personal use. So again, in this transaction, on this date, 2 transactions are there. One thing is they are utilizing the amount for the office use. When they are utilizing the amount for the office use, it is a contra entry. And when they are withdrawing for the personal use, then it is a drawings, right? So first we'll write the contra entry. When they are accounting the money, the entry will be by cash account.
By cash.
To bank by cash. Okay. So by cash account, I'm writing it as C. As you can see, they are taking the money from State Bank of India, right? That's why under State Bank of India, I'm writing as 3,000. When I'm writing the cash amount, I'm writing in the bank column under the State Bank of India. Again, here I'm writing it as to this amount I'll write under the cash column. Right? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Then they have given that drawings also they have given.
Ma'am, once you repeat this entry, na contra entry.
They have given that 5,000 they are withdrawing from the bank, 3,000 they are using for office use, and 2,000 for personal use. So when they are withdrawing for the office use, it is a contra entry. Contra entry means the entry will come as by cash and to bank. They are taking that from State Bank. That's why bank name I have mentioned. When I written the cash, the amount I written in the bank column. When I'm writing the bank, I'm writing the amount in the cash column. Okay. And they have given the drawings also. That's why I'm writing it as by drawings. They are withdrawing from State Bank of India now. That's why I'm writing under the amount State Bank of India. By drawings account, State Bank of India 2,000. The next you see.
We should not write in cash.
Why you will write in the cash? They are takeouting from the bank, no? They are withdrawing from the bank.
But cash is coming, no, drawings to SBI, no?
Yeah, drawings to SBI. That's why drawings under SBI account I have written the amount. Okay. The next you see, paid advance salary to manager rupees 1,000 by bearer check on Bank of India. They are paying the payment of salary to manager. So it is a payment. So I'm writing it as by salary. And this payment they are making through Bank of India. That's why under Bank of India, I have written the amount. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now do the totaling and tell me. Balancing part.
Cash got 3,150.
And coming to this problem, as you can see, beginning only what they have given that on 2013, 21st May, these all transactions has been taken place. So for all, you write the same date now. Whatever dates are there, no, same you should write. Right?
Ma'am, can you show the full screen of this problem?
Full screen means it's not coming clearly, ma. First I'll show the debit side, then I'll show the credit side. Okay, first you see the debit side.
Okay, ma'am.
Over debit side?
Ma'am, it's not clear.
Yes, ma'am, it's balancing.
Yes, ma'am. 5,000 in SBI and 6,347 in Bank of
I'm
India.
showing the credit side.
6347.
I'm showing the credit side also. Okay.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay, ma, correct answer you got?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So by this
Yes, ma'am,
problem, we
correct,
have completed this chapter, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma. So first I'll take the attendance, then later.
In first question, we don't have to make cash column.
Yes, sir. What you asked?
In 12th problem, we don't have to make cash column.
12th problem, we do have to not make the cash column. No, ma. Because clearly they have given that whatever receipts and payments are doing, they are doing by check, right?
And depositing,
Only
yes.
bank, yeah. Receipts and payments are through check means only bank only will come, not cash column. Okay,
ma'am, this is a double column cash book or triple column cash book?
2 column cash book.
2 column.
Yeah.
Okay. So
girls from Malakpet, 1 minute. Girls from Malakpet, raise your hand.
We should draw.
Girls from Malakpet, raise your hand first. After attendance, I'll give the time for clarifying the doubts. Wait. Sidra Fatima, are you there? Sidra Fatima. Sleeping, Sidra Fatima? Okay, okay, ma, down your hands. Girls from Shalibanda, raise your hand. Girls from Shalibanda.
Ma'am, since this co-host, I cannot do this hand
Oh,
raising.
okay, okay. Quick,
Ma'am,
girls.
we
Quick.
should draw format.
For what you will draw the format? Okay, ma. Down, you lower your hands.
For next problem.
What next problem? Over all problems? All problems finished, no?
Yes, ma'am, finished.
Then now ask me some doubts. He was asking me, no? Now ask me doubts.
This is 2-column cash book, ma'am. 3-column cash book.
2-column cash book.
Okay, ma'am.
Still any doubt?
No, ma'am.
11
First
4-column cash
transaction
book. Then
that is
One
opened.
minute, 1 minute, one by one you ask me the doubts. At a time, all will tell means how I can understand the question. Tell me. One by one you ask me the doubt. 11th question.
is a 4-column cash book.
4-column cash book is not there, ma. In the syllabus only not there, and anywhere also not there.
So
Bank 3-column cash book only.
are divided,
right,
right?
3 columns only.
Voice is not coming properly. It's 3-column cash book only. In what we are doing
So
is the bank, we are making 2 columns of bank only. We are making separate 2 columns of bank. That's it.
okay, thank you.
Still any doubt?
No,
First,
ma'am.
12th question, first transaction.
12th question, first transaction. Opened bank account with, it is a contra entry.
So in 2-column also we need to write.
1 minute, it is a contra entry, but as clearly they have given that we are making the receipts and payments through check. So here the contra entry will not come because only in the 3-column only the contra entry will come. In 2-column cash book, contra entry is not there. That's why directly you should write as, what you will write? Opened bank account means?
To cash.
Balance.
Yes, that's it. And amount in the bank column. That's it. Okay?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Ah.
In 7th problem, 18th entry, can you explain
1
it?
minute. 1 minute. 7th problem, 18th.
Yes,
18th one, they have given that bank collected dividends on shares purchased from Wahid for cash. On one day, 2 transactions are there. Bankers are collecting. So it is a receipt. That's why receipt side, you have to write 2 dividends on shares. Who is collecting? Bankers are collecting. That's why the amount will come under the bank column. The next is purchase from Wahid for cash. This is a payment. So credit side, buy purchase amount in the cash column.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Still anything?
The same problem, 5th entry. We should take the whole amount as 4,900.
Which one?
This 7th one only.
7th one?
Two sales of investment, 4,900.
So already I said no, 4,900, out of which 1,250 was deposited into bank. So what we should do means 1,250 you should write in the bank column, and 4,900 minus 1,250 when you will do the, I think so amount is 3,650. That amount will come under the cash column.
No,
But
ma'am.
if we are taking
like
it,
that,
ma'am,
it
the
would
answer is not
calculate.
coming right.
4,900 should not show anywhere.
Ma'am, but
Ma'am.
if we are taking 3,650 under cash column, then it is not balancing.
Why it will not balance?
Yes, ma'am, I took it.
Once again you check.
To sale of investment 3,650 I have taken, but it was not coming. So I took 4,900, then it's balanced.
Okay, once I'll see. And one more thing, now time is not there, only 1 minute left. As we have finished this chapter, Monday I'm going to take the test in this chapter. Theory plus practical, both also. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Monday I'm going to take the test in this chapter, including all problems and theory also. Under theory also I said you that what is important earlier only. Subsidiary books, advantages, types of subsidiary books, credit note, debit note, trade discount, cash discount, everything, whatever is there, right? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Now we should end the meeting now.
What ma'am said about that contra entry, actually I was on the corridor, that's the reason I didn't listen. What's that?
It is a contra entry, but in the double column cash book, we don't have to write. Only 3 column cash book we have to write.
Okay. Yeah. Shall I end the meeting?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Allah Hafiz. Have a great
Allah
breakfast.
Hafiz.
I'm hungry too. Ya Allah.
Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.
Okay.
Girls.
And Mariam.